students, let me start this video by telling you 3 facts about the animals. Yes, I am going to tell you the facts on kangaroo and ostrich and then about the shark. Okay, so let's go by the last one, that is shark. Do you know the shark is the only one fish which can blink both its eyes? Yes, the shark can blink its eyes. And second fact about the ostrich. Yes, ostrich eyes is bigger than its whole brain. Ostrich eyes is bigger than its whole brain. At last, about the kangaroos. Kangaroos cannot walk backwards. It can run or jump frontward, that is forward, but it can't run or walk backward. So these 3 facts I wanted to tell you before starting this video. So I hope you all learned some facts about these animals. So let's learn something new today. Okay. So today we are going to learn about preposition. What is that? Yes, preposition. So the name itself has a meaning. It's end with prepositions, right? Positions. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N-S. How do you pronounce? Yes, you pronounce it like position. Okay. So we are going to learn about how we can mark or point out the position of things or people. Okay. So with the help of prepositions only, we can point or we can point out the position of things or animal. How and what are the words? You can look at the board. Here I have drawn one box. Okay, you can look at it. It look like a box only. Okay, so just imagine in this box I have placed some balls. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls I have kept nearby the box only. Okay, so now let's find out the position of these balls. Okay, one by one. So this is the box. So can you tell me where is the ball 1? In which I have marked 1. Where is the ball 1? Yes, it is on the box. Where is the ball 1? The ball 1 is on the box only. That is, it is on the top only. So the word on is the preposition. Okay. The word on or top, it is the preposition. Okay. So let's learn where is the ball 2. Can you tell me where is the ball 2? Ball number 2. Yes, here it is. Where is the ball? You need to compare this ball with the help of this box. Where is the ball 2? It is near to the box only. It is near by the box. The word near help us to tell to learn about the position of this ball number 2. So with the help of near, we can find the position of this ball number 2. So here, how do we find the position? The word near stands for the position only. Okay. So near is the preposition only. Okay. So let's find out the ball number 4. We won't go for 3. Ball number 4. Where is ball number 4? Can you find the ball which has number 4? Yes, it is here. We can see that it is in the back only, right? So how do we say? It is ball number 4 is behind the box. Behind means pinnadi. Okay. So here behind, the word behind tells us the position of this ball. Okay, position of this ball. So here the word behind stands for preposition. And can you find the ball number 3? Yes, it is here. It may be down, right? It is down the box only. Instead of using down, which word stand for telling me that it is in down? Yes, under. I can say that ball number 3 is under the box. It is under the box. Under in Tamil we can say adil. Okay, ball number 3 enga irukku? Adil irukku. So the words like on, near, under and behind are the position words. Right? This tells us about the position of things or the place only, and then they are called as prepositions only, children. Okay. So what are prepositions? Prepositions tells us about position of things or people, where the thing is or where the people are. Okay, where the people are. So when we are finding them with the help of these words like on, in, behind, between, near, at, under. So these words are some preposition only. Are you clear, children? What are preposition? Yes, preposition help help us or it tells us about the position of. Okay, position means அது எங்க இருக்கு. Okay, with the help of these words like on means மேல இருக்கா, in means உள்ள, behind means பின்னாடி. Okay, and between means ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே நடுவுல. Okay, நடுவுல இருக்கா, or near means பக்கத்துல இருக்கா, at means அது பக்கத்துல அங்க இருக்கா, so under means அடியில இருக்கா. So those words help us to find the position. Okay, so position find out பண்ணனும், அது எங்க இருக்கு அந்த place இந்த words நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். These words are prepositions only. Are you clear about preposition, children? Let me tell you once again the definition. Prepositions are the words which tells us about the position. Okay, position of things or people. Okay, so let's learn with more example. Okay, here I am going to show you some example. You need to find and tell me where is the thing is. Okay, so now I have a book on my hand. Okay, I have a book on my hand. So now I am going to place a pen on the book. Okay, now I have placed the pen here. Now how do you tell me that where is the pen? Now you need to tell me where is the pen. Can you tell me where is the pen? Yes, the pen is on the book. The pen is on the book. இந்த pen எங்க இருக்கு? புக்குக்கு மேல இருக்கு. அப்ப புக்குக்கு மேல நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? On. So here the word is on. So the word on means what? மேல இருக்கு. Okay, so எங்க இருக்கு இந்த pen? On. So now I am going to keep this pen here. Okay, I am going to keep this pen here. So what do you can you tell me where is the pen is? Where is the pen is? Yes, the pen is under the book. The pen is under the book. Under means what? Yes, அடியில. இந்த pen எங்க இருக்கு இப்போ? அடியில இருக்கு. புக்குக்கு அடியில இருக்கு. So on means மேல, under means அடியில. Suppose நான் இங்க வச்சிருக்கேன். I kept here. Okay, I kept the pen here. So where is the pen is? Can you tell me where is the pen? Yes, the pen is behind the book. The pen is behind the book. Behind means book பின்னாடி. Okay, behind na என்ன? பின்னாடி. அப்போ பின்னாடி, behind stand for preposition only, children. Okay, so the position, now you are telling me the positions of this pen only, right? So let me give you one more example. So I have three things in my hand. Okay, I have three things in my hand. See, two pens and one scale. Now you need to tell me the position of this scale. Where is the scale? You can tell me, yes, it is in my hand only. Okay, it is in my hand and கையில இருக்கு. But you compare these three things and tell me where is the scale is. Okay, where is the scale is? The scale, it is in between the two pens. Okay, scale எங்க இருக்கு? இந்த ரெண்டு பென்னுக்குமே நடுவுல இருக்கு. அப்போ நடுவுல இருக்குறதுக்கு what do we say in English? Between. அப்போ between னா என்ன? நடுவுல இருக்கு. Where is the scale? It is in between the two pens. Okay, between two pens. Two pens க்கு நடுவுல தான் இந்த scale இருக்கு. Okay, and what is behind me? Now you need to tell me what is behind me. Yes, my என்ன இருக்கு? என்னோட பின்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு? Blackboard. So I can say that the blackboard is behind me. என் பின்னாடி வந்து blackboard இருக்கு. So the words which help us to find out, to tell us about the position of things or people means those words are prepositions only, children. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. So let me tell you once again what are preposition. You need to keep in your mind only this word, that is position. It helps us to find the position of things or people. Okay, and what are some preposition? Not only this, on, in, behind, between, near, off, under. Not only these words, outside, inside, above, over, around. So all these words which help us to find the position, no, these are preposition only. So I hope you are clear with this video, children. I'll see you in the next video to learn about more things about the prepositions. Thank you.